Today we practical study of AM circuit. AM means amplitude modulation. Aim to trace the given circuit of amplitude modulator. Second, to trace the waveform. Third, to calculate the modulation index. Component list required for this experiment is transistor 2N3904 or BC349B. The specification of the transistor is silicon NPN transistor, low current, low noise amplifier, TO9392 package. Resistor required for this experiment is Ri R1 22 kilo ohms quarter watt carbon composition, R2 to R4 3 number of resistor required 10 kilo ohm quarter watt carbon composition resistor, R5 1 kilo ohm quarter watt carbon composition resistor. Capacitor required 0.1 microfarad 2 numbers non-electrolytic capacitor and 0.001 microfarad non-electrolytic capacitor required for this experiment. The circuit diagram of AM modulator is shown in the circuit. According to the circuit is assembled on breadboard by using above given components. The theory required for this experiment is the process in which the instantaneous amplitude of carrier changes in accordance with the modulating signal means AF audio frequency is called amplitude modulation. AM is used in radio transmitter for sound signals and in TV transmitter for picture signals. RF carrier is always applied as input to the base of the transistor. In emitter modulator, the modulating AF signal is applied in the emitter circuit of the transistor. The circuit amplifies the carrier FC by the factor of A. A means gain, so that the output is AEC. The modulating signal is part of the biasing, therefore it produces low frequency variation in emitter current. Therefore, the amplified carrier signal look like a AM waveforms. The peak of the output vary sinusoidally with the modulating signal, that is, the upper and the lower envelope have the shape of modulating signal. For normal operation, the carrier should be small in millivolt. It should not influence the voltage gain. The modulating signal is part of the biasing network to produce noticeable changes in voltage gain. It should be large. Carrier is coupled to the output due to low reactance of output capacitor, and modulating signal is blocked due to its high reactance. Modulation index of AM signal is equal to EM upon EC, where EM is the peak value of modulating signal and EC is the peak value of carrier signal. Also, MA is equal to means modulation index is equal to V max minus V minimum upon V max plus V minimum. Waveforms of AM signal is shown in the diagram. The conclusion of the experiment is the circuit of amplitude modulator was traced. Second, the waveform of the amplitude modulator signal were traced from CRO. Third, the modulation index was calculated by using the given formula. Thanks.